Hello guys, and welcome to this beautiful video where I'm going to be showing you how to use the magic eraser in this cool website I found, DeepFakeMaker.io. So all you have to do to remove anything from any background or any picture is to actually apply this tool. Now you can see an example of the picture here. You can see the man and a woman here, and then obviously the woman does not like the man and she made them to remove the man entirely from the picture. So if you have somebody you want to remove from the picture, your ex, your friend that you're angry at for no reason, you can actually use this particular AI magic eraser to remove, cut, or delete the person from that particular photo. So you can see it before and after. You can see why are they always removing men. This is very, very sad. Why would she want to anyway, so this is how to actually use it. So you just go on here um to this website, click on image editor, click on magic eraser, and then you can drop your image here, and then you would select the part you want to remove, and remove it. Click on generate and you have your clean crisp image just like this. And this women removing men does not mean that they do not need this men. I feel it's just for that picture, or the men make it. There's no reason they shouldn't just remove them. Okay guys, so let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day guys, and please subscribe as we're actively trying to grow. Let me also know if you like videos to be made on any other AI platform, and I will do that. Thank you very much and do have a great day guys.